Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Are we all tired? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I think I3 response can be better than this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That's more like it, inshallah. So Jazakallah khair, Safan, and for introducing and inviting me to speak here. And subhanallah, I don't know how you feel here today. I feel so excited, so humble. And this is my first time introducing myself on behalf of I3, and it's a big, big, big privilege, and it's a pleasure. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I'm here as a servant that is nominated, appointed to serve you all as the topmost volunteer, as the executive director of this organization. This organization, guys, is not an organization just like any other. We're not a conventional organization. Yes, we are a federally registered entity, but as an organization, we're a mission that is geared towards establishment of Allah's deen, geared towards Islam. So we're establishing Islam together. So each one of you who volunteers, every minute of your time, every minute of your effort, every skill set that you spare for this institute is going towards your akhirah points, right? Your khair bank. Remember, when Yawm al-Qiyamah happens, there is no other currency than those khair dollars that you will be able to utilize. So this is what we do, and this is the motive here, inshallah. So joining I3 Institute as a volunteer, as a champion, as the owner is a privilege. It's the biggest blessing. So I would like to welcome you all, and I would like to say Mabruk to all of you for joining this prestigious organization who is part of the biggest mission, which is Mission Islam, inshallah. So all of us are Team Islam. So inshallah, a big round of applause to Team Islam. And we know we have our founders among us, inshallah. Our beloved Sheikh Ustahi will speak more about what I3 is and what's the mission. But I'm here to let you know that we at I3 Institute are a big machinery. We are focused on media, we are focused on events, we are focused on transformation, we are focused on community engagement, we are focused on community outreach. Why? Because we want Muslimin to come together. We want Muslimin to work together. We want Muslimin to transform together. And we want Muslimin to run towards Akhirah together and race together to win the race, right? Inshallah. And this is why collectively, working together, our impact is higher than you can imagine. And inshallah, we'll get to that point where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will enable us, will establish us enough to actually achieve the mission, inshallah. We're all together in that? Inshallah, sisters? And remember, brothers are doing more at the front foot. But your contributions, your connections, your service is never less than brothers or anything. Because we are not competing with each other. We are competing for the khair, right? We're competing for taqwa. So your work, even while you're raising kids, when you're managing the family, when you're managing your husband, your lives, your household and everything, each and every minute you spend, just like me, is the source of barakah that is coming to your family, inshallah. So remember, every single time you feel stress, I'm not doing enough. And we all go through these cycles, right? So when you feel like that, remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually enabled you to do something and build, grow, push yourself every day. Even when you're driving, when you're studying, when you're in your workplace, when you're engaging with people, when you're connecting with people, when you're actually talking about I3 with a single person, anybody who does not know I3, your pitch and your introduction for I3 is the best way forward. Because you are the champions. You are the real owners of this organization, this institute, that will be the best machinery and engine in the community to introduce us and our work. What makes I3 different? I3 is different from many organizations. I'm not saying other organizations are not good or bad or anything. I'm saying we are different because we are uniquely crafted and uniquely established towards a mission, right? So we need to remember that. So when you introduce I3 next time, to other people in the community, remember how to introduce yourself. If you need help, we have our speakers, we have our instructors, you all are in YD classes. Learn these things and learn to pitch and properly, effectively talk to other people in the community. In your family networks, you know, how many of you are part of different WhatsApp groups? Family, friends, community. How many? Many? So here's a request. Every single group you're part of, every single brother and sister here, right? Engage people in communication. Post. Talk about I3. Talk about your work, talk about your contribution, talk about your skill set, and talk about what we're looking for at I3 Institute, and why I3 is serving what they're serving with, and why I3 is there to support, to connect, and to transform, inshallah. This is my request to all of you, inshallah. And for upcoming positions, I will wrap up, inshallah. We have our HR team here under the wonderful leadership of Sister Intan and Sister Amina. We have upcoming opportunities for all the champions in this room. And more. Inshallah, if you are not sure about how to utilize your skill set, or if you're not seeing yourself growing in your current position, please talk to our HR team. We have tons of opportunities here. We have tons of responsibilities that we're looking people for. Inshallah, media, we have event, we have screenwriters, we have video production, we have video editing, every single thing you can think of. We need every skill set to join I3 and to make that impact that we require, inshallah, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right, so our HR team is here, and if you're not sure, you email me. Message me or email me and I will direct you, inshallah. So on behalf of SLT, Senior Leadership Team of I3 Institute, I would like to welcome you all again, and inshallah, stay tuned for more excitement this evening, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.